fact that it's a gummy. It tastes way better than the actual shot I got for Sunday vinegar. So that's a plus. I guess I should take my second one because I only took one. But I'm up here trying to preach that it's good. That don't even make sense. Okay, so it's something you have to get used to. It's definitely a taste that you have to get used to. And it's kind of like a sour taste. It's a sweet, sour, but beet taste. So if you like beets, you're good. Not a lot of humans do, so you're like the only one. But it's pretty good. I do love the packaging once again. I love like the whole little look of it. It was only $19. So all in all, would I recommend it to a friend? Yeah. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for the video. I'm going ahead and wrapping it up. There's more videos to come. This is my first video, but it will be definitely a lot more. So just be looking out. Bye.